Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about combination of resistors. In previous videos we have discussed about combination of capacitors, and in this video we are going to discuss about combination of resistors. So there is a quite difference. What is the difference we will discuss later. So without wasting time, let's get started. So we all know that we have two types of combination, that is series and parallel combination. So step by step we will discuss. First we will discuss about series combination. Series combination. So we all know that in series combination current is same but voltage is difference. Current is same but voltage is different. What does it mean? To understand it more better, we will draw a diagram here. Let we have three resistors R1, R2 and R3, and if we connect them in a series like this, R1 here, R2 here and R3 here, R1, R2, R3 here, and I is same, means there is no difference in the current, but V is different, means V1, V2 and V3 will be here like this, and here is the voltage source. So the current will flow from positive terminal to negative terminal like this, in this direction. So what we have to find? We have to find the resistance of this series combination resistor. So we have three resistor here, potential here. We have three different potential. So we need to find a combined potential, that is V net. That will be V net. So V net will be equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, and we all know the formula of V, that is V equal to IR. So V equal to IR, we will put the value of IR, V, that is IR. So IR net will be equal to IR1, current is same, so we will put I only, plus IR2 plus IR3. So I will be cancelled out and we have R net will be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. We get this formula. So what does it mean? It means that if we connect the resistors in a series combination, so the resistance will increase, because R net will be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. It means we are adding both the all these resistors. So it is clear. Then we come to the next topic, that is parallel combination. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. So the second topic, second type is parallel combination. Parallel combination. So what will happen here? If we connect the resistors in a parallel combination, but keep the point in mind that in parallel combination current is different. Current is different but potential is same, voltage is same. What does it mean? So let me draw a diagram here. We have three resistors here, R1, R2 and R3, and the current, what will happen with the current? The current will divide into three different paths. So the current will be I1, I2 and I3, and we know that potential is same, so we don't need to write it here. So we connect it through a battery source, and the potential will be V. We have to find R here, but first we need to find the total current here. So we will put the formula, we will use the formula of current here. V is equal to IR, so I will be equal to V by R. So if we have to find I net, so what we have to do? I1 plus I2 plus I3, and with the help of this formula we can write that I net means V by R net will be equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. So potential is same here, so it is cancel out. So what we get in the end? 1 by R net will be equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Very simple topic is this. This is very simple topic. If you practice more and more, then you get perfect. So this formula we get, but in series combination the resistance increases, but in parallel combination the resistance decreases, as you can see here. So I hope this topic is very clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section, and if you want more videos on more topics, so please subscribe. Thank you.